What do you think? Should we finish up the last two steps of our February Cuties table topper? Let's do it. Hey everyone, Cristin here, and we are going to finish our table topper today, our February Cuties table topper. So last time we did the outer borders and the corners, and all we have left is the backing and the binding. Very simple, and then it's done, our February Cuties. So for our backing, we have 2 packets left, backing and binding, pretty cool. So for the backing, we are going to use our backing fabric. So mine is a silky solid, a creamy silky solid, and we're just going to cut this to 24 by 24 and add it onto the backing. An easier way, in my opinion, is to put out your fabric on top of your cuties or under your cuties and cut it that way, just to make sure that it's the exact right size. That's how I generally do it, but it does say in the directions to do 24 by 24. And like I said, I generally will just lay it on top or underneath my actual top and make sure that it is the right size. So my little tip for that. All right, so 24 by 24 or exactly the size of your cuties. And then we'll do binding. So on the binding, mine is the creamy petals fabric. Super cute. I love this. Isn't that so pretty? So this one, we are going to use 3 pieces. 2 of them are width of fabric times 2.5 inches width. So 2.5 inches times width of fabric. And I didn't back these with fusible stabilizer. I left them as is. I'm going to re-iron them because they've been in my little packet here. But 2 of them are width of fabric. And like I said, the 2.5 inches wide. And then the last one is 2.5 inches wide by 20 inches. All right, 20 inches by 2.5 inches. So that's for our binding. And I'll go over all of the steps. It's going to be a really easy day, and then we're going to be finished and have our adorable February Cuties table topper. So let's get started. And if you haven't already, don't forget to get your March fabric kit so that we can get started on that one soon. We'll probably do it mid-February, I'm thinking. So get your March kit from our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. And it's your last day to tell me about your goal. I want to hear about it in the comments. Share with me how you're doing with your goal. I haven't done my workout yet today, but I have it planned, and I know that it is a bike ride that is about 5 or 6 miles and 2,500 feet of climbing. Oh boy, that one's gonna hurt. And I'm still sore from all of those strength training workouts. So that's my goal, strength. That's what I'm working on for this project. Tell me what your goal is and how you're doing with it.
Aid stations pretty much, or rest stations, where you can stop, camp. They have food there, drinks, pretty much vending machines on the trail. They're only open for part of the season.
And my shirt today is not an embroidered shirt, but you can see why I'm wearing it. Look at the heart. Isn't that perfect to finish up our February Cuties table topper?